Hi, I'm Billy, and this is Knox Machining. Welcome to the shop. Hi, welcome back. So I got something new for the shop the other day. This is a HOTSHOT 1200. Stan Zinkowski of Bar Z is making these. I ordered one back in the summer right before the bash, but I missed the deadline by about a week or two, and I've been patiently waiting for him to start his next batch. But the other day he threw this one up on Facebook Marketplace. It was a scratch and dent, and it has a few scratches on the stainless steel. So instead of waiting for him to start his next batch, I went ahead and took the opportunity to pick it up. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to open it up and show you all what's inside. Let's see here. Done a really good job packing this thing up. Even got some finger holes for me. Let me get this one quite good enough. It's even got his little Bar Z logo on the tape there. Got it in here with the foam. Get that out of the way. All right, so let's get this a little higher up, and I will cut the box open and we can see a little more on what's inside. Well, there we go. Ha ha ha. There we go. Get the rest of this foam out of here. What do we got here? Scraps for furniture. Cool. I got some extra little fire brick that he threw in there for me so that I can put stuff on top of it. Like I said, he even went through the trouble of cutting the holes in here for the handholds, which came in handy. All right, let's get that off there. Let's get all this plastic wrap off. Got some literature here. Okay. So unlike the HOTSHOT 360, this is a 240 volt model. Got this plug all taped up with this green plastic too. There we go. Let's get off there. Come on, get off there. All right, there we go. All right, so let's take a look inside and see what we got. Oh, he's got it zip tied. One second. Okay, now let's take a look inside. There we go. And look at that. He's even got some foam inside here to keep everything safe and sound. Pull all that out. Double layered. So this would be the programmable PID controller. Pop that in there. So let's get a little closer look, shall we? All right, there's our little PID controller, heat enable, control power. Got a little lamp there with a buzzer built in. He's got a switch there that'll turn on and off depending on when you have the door open or closed. Looks good. Let's see. With some instructions here, starting your oven for the first time. Oven on temp. How to program, ready to program your controller. Even got a pretty cool looking sticker there, HOTSHOT 1200. Well, let's get it over here and plug it up and see how it works. Okay, so I've got a little cart here set up to put the heat treat oven on. Little general US General cart. Put some fire brick on it and got it set up so that we can put accessories under there. Put your hot stuff right there, and of course the heat treat oven's on it. So let's set it up to fire for the first time. Okay, so let's turn it back on. Control power. And we'll let it run. Quickly climbing to 400. Once it reaches 400, it should sit there and run for about 30 minutes, and then it'll ramp up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and run for another 45, and then it'll go up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit and run for 1 hour, and then go up to 1600 and run for yet another hour, and then up to 1800 and run for another hour. So this is going to take quite a few hours to get burned in. As you can see now, the output is fluctuating to maintain that to get to 400 degrees without overshooting. All right, and it should sit there and soak for about 30 minutes. I'll bring y'all back here a little bit later. Okay, here it goes, ramping up to 1200 degrees. Controller's telling the system to ramp up. It's going to take a few minutes for the oven to catch up. Okay, controller's reached 1200, but the oven's still trying to catch up. And there's 1200. And it will soak there for about an hour, and then it'll ramp up to 1600 degrees, and I'll bring you all back for that one too. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and ring the bell.